Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Sully. Welcome back on board the Sabre 45. It is Monday morning. TJ and Cory are up there hard at work, and I want to showcase some of the things that have gotten wrapped up. We have the Fusion Signature amp here. Then we have the pair of the Fusion Apollo amps. You take a look, you can see those are already nicely labeled for Zone 3, Zone 4. We've gone ahead, we have our Pepwave installed there, getting the hub all set up, sounders, all that kind of stuff is all getting taken care of. So as we make our way out of here, take a look and see what else we've got going on. We talked about the Fusion speakers going on up there. You can see the list here is continually getting smaller and smaller as these guys continue to crank through this list. All the wiring on the hardtop's starting to come together real nice. We take a look over here, we can see that the Vesper Cortex has been mounted, and we're also working on the Helm layout. So what we've gone ahead and do when we do these kind of things is we like to make these boats yours. So you get to put a custom touch. You get to put things wherever you want. So what we do is here, we'll mock everything all up so you can see it, and you can make adjustments to wherever it is you would like those instruments located. So just one of the other things we do here at Navtronics to make sure we can customize your boat and make your boat your boat. So I'm gonna let the guys, you can see they're back there somewhere, back there, discussing everything, getting everything ready to go for today. So we'll be back tomorrow, show you guys more of what's been going on here as this continues to wrap up and move forward so that we can get this thing on a truck and get it down to the Cape. So stay tuned, guys.